Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing some cute little tree ornaments and they're super cute and easy to make. As you can see, I already made plenty of them and I plan on giving them to friends. The stamp set I'm using today is the O Tannenbaum stamp set by Create a Smile Stamps, and their stamp sets are available in German and English. So if you're interested in the images but you don't understand German at all, then I highly recommend you check out the English stamp set. And now I'm starting off by stamping my images. I'm using my Ink on Free hybrid ink, and I'm stamping them out on some Nina Solar White Classic Crest cardstock. And now I'm just speeding through the coloring. I'm using my alcohol-based markers once again. And as always, it's really just a mix of different brands and types. But I do plan on getting some more Copic markers for Christmas, so we'll see how that goes. And now I'm just going to fuzzy cut my images. I think there are coordinating dies, but I don't have them. And now I'm just using some page protectors and I pulled my heated up fuse tool. I think it heated up for approximately half an hour or even longer, but I would recommend heating it up for at least 20 minutes. And now I'm starting with my first tree and just take my fuse tool and go around the image. And as you can see, I left a little space at the top. And now I'm just using a little paper circle I cut out using a 1.6 centimeter circle punch. And this is just a guideline for me because I don't want to punch a hole through my image, but rather have a little bit of space at the top so I can punch a hole and then have my twine go through it. So as you can see, I fused around the circle and now I'm connecting my seams. So the first one is finished and now I'm just quickly doing the other one. And I really prefer this image because it's a little bit more round and not as detailed, so it's a lot easier to fuse around it. And once again, I'm using my little circle. You can just punch a hole through the image if that's what you want. But as I said before, I just wanted a little bit of space so you can see the whole image. And now both my images are fused. I decided to use some page protectors to protect them and so they'll last longer. And now I just fuzzy cut them using scissors. You don't have to be super careful because we're not using any sequins, so there's nothing falling out. Now I just took my scissors and poked a hole right through the little excess plastic, or the space we left at the top. You can of course use a hole punch or anything like that, but I just had a pair of scissors lying around, so it was easier for me. And now I'm using a little piece of brown and white baker's twine. And this part is the most trickiest, I think, because you have to kind of get the twine in there and it's kind of fiddly and it takes a while. But once you've figured it out, it's really not that hard, really. And now I'm just tying a knot. And you could hang them on your Christmas tree or just use them as decorations. As I said before, I'm planning on giving them to friends and include them in my presents, so when the recipient opens up the presents, they find this little ornament and maybe they decide to put it on their tree and maybe it makes them smile. I really like the images. I think they're super cute. I love the idea of smiling Christmas trees. So that's it. It's really not that time consuming if you've got the fuse tool, but of course there are other methods. You could just use a laminator and laminate your images and then punch a hole. But this is just an idea. Maybe you've got a few Christmas trees and you want to put some Christmas trees on your Christmas trees, which sounds really fun. So thanks so much for watching and I hope I see you in my next one. Bye!